Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for your microbiology lab practical. To truly ace it, you must first understand the practical's format and the specific skills being assessed. Thoroughly review all your lab exercises and procedures, paying close attention to the details. A key focus should be on identifying unknown microorganisms and understanding their unique characteristics. This foundational knowledge is crucial for success. Mastering identification methods is paramount. Dedicate time to practicing gram staining and microscopy, as these are fundamental for differentiating various bacteria. Understand the principles behind biochemical tests and memorize their expected results for a wide range of microorganisms. Furthermore, commit to memory the distinct morphology and growth patterns of common organisms you've encountered. This detailed recall will significantly boost your confidence. To truly solidify your understanding, simulate the lab environment. Recreate lab stations at home using your diagrams, notes, and even simple household items. Actively quiz yourself on identifying unknown samples and navigating diagnostic flowcharts. Don't forget to review all safety protocols and practice proper aseptic techniques mentally. This hands-on, mental rehearsal will prepare you for the practical's real-time demands. Finally, optimize your practical preparation for peak performance. Ensure you get adequate rest the night before and actively manage any stress to keep a clear mind. Arrive at the lab early to calmly organize your thoughts and materials, setting yourself up for success. Most importantly, read all instructions carefully and completely before beginning any task. This attention to detail can prevent costly errors and ensure you demonstrate your best work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.